I am getting my hair dye. I got bangs. It looks so cute. And then it did leave like a tint on my sink. Please enjoy this time lapse of me cleaning my closet yet again. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. I'm in a little bit of a rush, but today's gonna be a very exciting vlog because I am getting my hair dyed. So my roots are like super grown out, obviously. So I'm just going to get it touched up in the back. It's like really bad, so it's gonna look so good when I'm done. I'm just now ordering my lift, so I have to head out. It looks like he's about 5 minutes away, so I should go downstairs. But I just wanted to start off the video. I'm not sure what else we have planned for today, so make sure you stay until the end to find out what we're doing for Vlogmas Day 10. But for now, let's go get my hair dyed. Hi. I got bangs.
Very cute.
You like it?
I like it.
You wanna say hi to my video?
Hi.
So I just got back from getting my hair done. It looks so cute. I decided to get some like little thin bangs because I don't know, I've been having a bang urge, and so I got some bangs. I really like them. I think they look really cute. It's just kind of weird seeing myself in bangs because I've just never, I don't know, pictured it. But yeah, I think it looks so good. The color came out so nice, and then she just styled it a little bit. I also added some layers just to make it a little bit more interesting. And then they also gave me a little goodie bag with like samples in it. I love samples. Shampoo. Ooh, hair mask. I hope I like that because I've actually been looking for a hair mask that I like. So hair serum and lip balm. Cute. And I also bought myself the hairspray that Daniela, the woman who does my hair, uses because it smells so good and it holds my hair like so perfectly for like days. It's crazy. So I decided to get it because I needed a new hairspray anyway. But it's like 4:13 right now. I have to finish editing Vlogmas Day 9. I'm a little bit behind on it. But before I do that, I really need to eat because I've been up the entire day and I haven't eaten anything, and I barely drank any water because I didn't want to have to keep peeing. So I really need to eat. And then I think after I eat, I'm going to clean because I have made quite the mess the last few days. So, what? And my boyfriend is very unhappy about it. But first, I definitely need to eat because I am starving. It looks so cute.
I'm just having some sushi real quick. I just got randomly so hungry. It's just leftover from yesterday. I tried oishi sushi here in Colorado.
It's a little bit late, but we got Vlogmas Day 9 posted, ready to go. Vlogmas Day 9. Okay, I guess I should stop procrastinating and start cleaning. I've been putting this cleaning off for longer than you think. Let me show you. So to start, we have the laundry that I did on Vlogmas day 1 and still have not put it back in my closet. Coming out to the living room, we have the couch that I've been living on to edit. And then we have the giant pile of clothes from my Christmas sweater try-on haul. And then we just have other clothes over here and things that need to be put away. I just have fabric dye, a tripod, my goodie bag from the hair salon, gloves. Down here we have some packages. I had wanted to do a Black Friday try on haul and I was so excited about it, but like 2 of the things that I was so excited to show you haven't even shipped yet, so they're not going to be here in time. Maybe I'll just do a little haul with like the things I did get. And then you would think, because I spent all of Vlogmas day 1 cleaning my closet and all of my laundry is still in the laundry basket and not put back in my closet would be pretty clean, right? It's only like 9 days later. This is what we are dealing with. Again, as always. And the bathroom countertop too. It's a lot. It's a little bit overwhelming, but the majority of stuff needs to be put into my closet. So I think I'm gonna start by bringing everything that needs to be in my closet into my closet, and then I'm just gonna organize everything at the same time. That just seems like the most logical thing to do. So before we get started with all of the other messes, I should clean up my mess from yesterday's Vlogmas day 9. Dyed my counter just a little bit, but I think that's happened before and I think it's pretty easy to get off. And then it did leave like a tint on my sink, which has happened before, and I got it off pretty easily, but I can't remember how. I think I used a mixture of laundry detergent and white vinegar. So we're gonna try that. I don't remember if that's what I actually did, but we're gonna try it and see how it works out.
Clean my kitchen.
It's like not super noticeable. There's just like some red right there. There's a little bit of staining on this side that you can't really tell. And then the counter is just like slightly stained right there. Ah! That poured out so much faster than I thought it was going to. I didn't mean to pour that much, but that's fine. Okay, so we actually got a lot up with just the laundry detergent. I'm actually kind of impressed by that. Then I think I'm just gonna use the white vinegar on top of the laundry detergent before like washing it off with water. I'm just kind of guessing here. Wow, that was like one swipe over like half of the sink. I love the smell of vinegar. The stain on my counter is like completely gone now, so that's good. And the tint on the sink is pretty much all gone. I think once I wash it, it'll go away. I think it might just look like it's there if I haven't washed it off yet. Look at all of that. That's all dye. It's like all gone. I did such a good job. Now we can move on to the rest of the messes. Now it's kind of like I only have one mess left to clean because I combined it all. Pretty smart. Please enjoy this time lapse of me cleaning my closet yet again. did it. I cleaned my whole closet in under 35 minutes. I know. I'm also impressed. Honestly, I was thinking it was gonna take me like 2 hours, but you know, I just like focused in, put all my energy into that, which weirdly I have enough because I only slept for like 3 hours last night. I got it done. If only I could do that with everything. Well, now that that's done, I guess it's time to finish my night. Edit Vlogmas day 10 that we're watching here. So I'm not up until 6, 7 in the morning again. It's been a recurring thing like every day so far. But yeah, I guess we will just end the vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you had a great Vlogmas day 10. Thank you all so much for coming along with me to get my hair done. I hope that you enjoyed it just as much as I did. My bangs are parting, but I'm a little bit obsessed. I have bangs now. They're pretty long, so I mean they'll be grown out in a couple weeks anyway, like, you know, longer. It's fine. The color just looks so good. I feel so like put together again. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below so that I know. And also don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you want to follow along for the last 15 I think. 15 days of Vlogmas, and for all the future videos to come, which honestly will not be mostly vlogs. This is a little bit exhausting. I don't know how people do this. Although I guess most people don't edit like every day throughout the year either. I don't know. But you know, if you want to join me and my friends here on this channel, then feel free to do so by subscribing. And thank you all so much for watching. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 11. Bye!